Let's take a look at saving even more time every day by using shortcuts like CTRL F, CTRL A, and CTRL H. So while I'm in this Word document, I don't have some fancy program that does my proposals for me. So obviously I do them manually in Word, and this can relate to anything. Of course, it's not just proposals. So I've got a generic proposal that I use, and if I look at this proposal, you'll see that I use a company name called Company X. So for me, when I create a new proposal that's got the basics in it before I add the requirements or services, I would go to this document and click on CTRL A, and then I'm going to click on CTRL H. So this is going to come up and I'm going to say I want to replace Company X with the matrix. I'm going to say replace all, and it's going to go and say we made 13 replacements in the selection. Do you want to search the rest? Yes. Okay. So it's made 13 replacements. I could also just have said, let's say that's already replaced now. So if I want to change it back to Company X, I could just go next. So I could go find next, and it'll show it to me, and I'll go replace, and then I'll go find next again. Yes, replace, replace. So this is how you could replace each word as you work with it. So I hope that definitely saves you a lot of time. As I said, works in Excel, in Outlook, in Word, and of course you can use CTRL F to search. CTRL A is to select everything, and that's sure to save you a lot of time every day.